So the first one, so all red. So if you have all red, that is going to be probability of red and red and red. So the first one is 5 out of 8. And now things they are not replaced is going to be decreasing. So we have removed one red. So the total is now 7. And out of the red, there are 4 red. So 4. Then we have removed 2 red. For the third one, we now have a total of 6 items in the bag, since we have removed 2 red, and in the red we have 3 items. So this is going to be the probability of red and red and red. Now the question is remove so that all 3 items are blue. So all blue. So again this is going to be blue and blue and blue. That means, so the first one is going to be 3 out of 8. Now the next one, since one item has been removed, there are 7 items. So it will be 7 items total, and since one blue has been removed, there will be 2. And for the third one, it will be 6, because 2 blue has been removed. So out of 8 there are 6 items, since they are not replaced, and 2 blues has been removed, so there is only 1 blue. So that is that. And if the question is same color, so for same color we're going to have the concept of permutation over here. So permutation. So for that reason, what we're going to have over here, either we are going to have all 3 are red, red and red and red, or we're going to have all 3 reds are blue, blue and blue and blue. So we have permutation over here. So for red and red and red is going to be 5 by 8 into 4 by 7 into 3 by 6, or for blue and blue and blue is going to be 3 by 8 into 2 by 7 into 1 by 6. Now in question number D, at least 2 red. That is a valid question. So when you have 2 colors, 2 options, but you're taking 3 items, it is possible to have 2 red. So we have to see permutation over here again. So what are the permutations for this? Meaning what are the different ways we can choose? So we can have 2 red, at least 2 red. At least means there can be more than 2 reds. So there can be red and red and red. So all red, that is at least 2 red. There are at least 2 red. Or there could be 2 red. So red and red. So we have a blue over here. Now these are the main permutations. So red, red, blue. Then we can have blue, red, red. Then we can have red, blue, red. So basically we have from this thing at least 2 red, 1 blue. We are having 3 permutation over here alone. That means each permutation always have the same probability. So this, they are the same permutation of red, red and blue. 2 red and 1 blue. So they are going to have the same probability. So instead of calculating each probability for the same permutation, different order but the same number of items, so we don't have to worry about finding each probability. We take the first probability into 3, because each and every probability is the same. So that means this probability is going to be red and red and red, or red, red, blue, blue, red, 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 blue, red. So red and red and red is 5 by 8, 4 by 7, 3 by 6, or 3 into, since these 3 are the same permutations, different arrangement of the same thing. So red is 5 out of 8, and so another red removed. So when we have 1 red removed, now we have 4 red in the bag, and the total is 7. Now the third one is a blue. So 2 red has been removed. None of the blue has been removed. So the total would be 6, but the blue, so 3 out of 6. So that is going to be the probability of at least 2 red.